Hey everyone, welcome back to English Learning Key. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Today, we're talking about something that sounds simple, but secretly stresses a lot of people out. Small talk.
Yes, that moment when you're standing next to someone and your brain goes completely blank.
Total silence. Elevator silence. Waiting room silence.
The kind of silence where you suddenly become very interested in your phone.
Exactly. So today, we're mastering small talk. What to say when you feel like you have absolutely nothing to say.
First, let's clear something up. Small talk is not deep conversation.
It's not about changing the world.
It's not about discussing philosophy or politics.
It's social glue.
I like that. Social glue.
Small talk connects people. It builds comfort. It creates warmth before real conversation begins.
And here's the good news. Small talk is predictable.
Very predictable. That's why it's easier than you think.
Let's start with the biggest myth. I need something interesting to say.
No, you don't.
Small talk is usually about ordinary things.
In fact, the more ordinary, the better.
For example, imagine you're at a coffee shop waiting in line. You can say, "It's always so busy here."
Or, I can't function without coffee in the morning.
Simple, relatable, human.
That's the secret. Relatable comments work.
Let's build this step by step. When you don't know what to say, start with your environment.
Yes, your location is your best friend.
At an event, you can say, "How do you know the host?"
At work, has it been busy today?
At a class, "Have you taken this course before?"
At the gym, is it always this crowded?
You don't need creativity, you need awareness.
Notice what's around you and comment on it.
Another easy strategy is shared experience.
Yes, something both of you are experiencing in that moment.
Long line, "This line is moving so slowly."
Bad weather, I didn't expect it to rain this much.
Late meeting, "I think we've all been waiting a while."
These comments invite agreement.
And agreement creates conversation.
Let's talk about follow-up questions.
Yes, because small talk dies when there are no follow-ups.
If someone answers your question, don't stop there.
For example, you ask, "How was your weekend?"
They say, pretty good, I went hiking.
Don't just say, "Nice."
Yes, don't kill the conversation.
Instead, say, "Oh, really? Where did you go?"
Or, was it difficult?
Follow-up questions show interest.
And people love talking about themselves.
That's not selfish, it's human nature.
Now let's address the fear. What if the other person gives short answers?
Like, "Yeah,
Fine.
not much."
The conversation killers.
If that happens, change direction gently.
For example, by the way, have you tried the new cafe nearby?
Or, "Are you working on anything interesting lately?"
You can shift topics smoothly.
Small talk topics are usually safe topics.
Weather,
Work or studies,
food,
travel,
movies or TV shows.
weekend plans.
Keep it light.
Avoid very personal or controversial subjects at the beginning.
Yes, small talk is not the time for intense debate.
Now here's something powerful. Compliments.
Oh yes, compliments are excellent conversation starters.
"I like your jacket."
That's a great laptop sticker.
"Your presentation was really clear."
Then add a question. Where did you get it?
Compliment plus question, that's a strong combination.
Let's talk about sounding natural.
Please don't say, "What activities do you engage in during your leisure time?"
Please don't.
Just say, "What do you like to do for fun?"
Or even more natural, what do you usually do for fun?
Simpler is better.
Also, reactions matter.
Yes, if someone tells you something, react with energy.
No way.
That's awesome.
Seriously?
These small reactions keep the conversation alive.
If you respond with flat energy, the conversation fades.
Small talk is like playing catch with a ball.
You throw, they catch. They throw back.
If you drop the ball, the game ends.
That's a great image.
Another important thing, you don't need to be funny
Or impressive.
or extremely talkative.
Small talk is about comfort, not performance.
If you're naturally quiet, that's okay.
Ask good questions. Listen well. That's enough.
Let's talk about ending small talk.
Yes, because sometimes you want to exit politely.
You can say, "It was nice chatting with you."
Or, I'm going to grab another drink, but it was great talking to you.
Positive sentence first, reason second.
Smooth and polite.
Now here's the real mindset shift.
Small talk feels hard when you focus on yourself.
Do I sound stupid?
Do I sound boring?
Do I have enough to say?
But it becomes easier when you focus on the other person.
What can I learn about them?
What are they interested in?
Curiosity removes pressure.
And pressure is the real enemy.
Let's imagine this scenario. You're at a networking event, you don't know anyone. What's the first sentence you can say?
Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Anna.
Simple introduction.
Then, what brings you here?
Open-ended question.
That's it. You're in.
Small talk isn't magic, it's structure.
Observation,
Question.
reaction,
Follow-up.
repeat. That's the formula.
So next time you feel like you have nothing to say, remember this. You don't need brilliance.
You need one simple sentence,
One comment.
one question.
And the courage to say it.
So let us ask you, what situation makes small talk hardest for you?
Elevators?
Work events?
First dates?
Tell us in the comments.
And this week, challenge yourself. Start one small conversation.
Even if it's just busy day today, huh?
That's enough.
Because every big conversation starts small.
See you next time on English Learning Key.
Bye, everyone.